Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure XAMPP 8.2.12 on Parrot Security OS 6. But the process is same on all Parrot Security OS versions. Let us verify the version of the Parrot Security OS. /etc OS-release. Say I am in Parrot Security OS. Okay. Control L to clear screen. Now open Firefox or any web browser. Internet. Firefox. Go to Apache friends.org. Hit enter. See, XAMPP is combination of Apache web server, MariaDB or MySQL, PHP Perl. And XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment. It is completely free, easy to install Apache distribution containing these tools. Okay. Here, see here, download XAMPP for Linux. So click on 8.2.12. Click on it. Wait, it is going to download. See, download has been started. See, its size is 153 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now go to terminal again. Now go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the XAMPP run file. We can't run this run file directly. Let us try XAMPP. See, we are not giving. So if we copy this file, copy, paste here, hit enter. See, we cannot run. Even if we give sudo, then XAMPP dot forward that XAMPP, hit enter. See, still okay. So we have to modify the permissions. So run the command chmod 755 or execute permissions, then paste the file name. Hit enter. Now run the dot, give the xa tab, hit enter. See, now it is running. It has, okay, see, it is running. Still it is showing error, so you have to give sudo at start and hit enter. See, this time success. Click on this forward button. See, it is going to install XAMPP core files and XAMPP developer files. Okay, then click on forward and see here XAMPP is going to install on opt lamp directory. Okay, so click on forward again to start the installation. See, installation has been started. See, installation has been completed. Keep the checkbox that is launch XAMPP and click on finish. See, we have installed XAMPP 8.2.12. Click on manage servers. See, only Apache web server is running. Now start the MySQL database also. Select it and click on start. Then select the Pro FTPD and click on start. See, MySQL database is also running. Now go to new tab, give the localhost, hit enter. See if you receive this welcome to XAMPP for Linux, then we have successfully installed. Click on PHP myadmin. See, these are the list of the databases. If you want to create database, click on new, then provide the database name. Then click on create. See, new database Art Schools is there. We can also create database by clicking on query, then create database testdb, then click on submit query. See, it is success. Click on here PHP admin, click on OK to refresh. See, new DB is there. Okay, so now we will create sample PHP file and compile it. Go to terminal, go to install directory, that is /opt lam. Hit enter, ls. See, here we have the htdocs, cd htdocs ls. See, we have index.php. Let us create another PHP file. Control L, sudo vi hello world .php. Hit enter, then give the press I to insert mode, provide the PHP tags. PHP echo welcome to save the file. Now go to browser, then localhost hello world .php. See, it is typo. See, we got the output, but output is in single line. So edit the file, give the break tag after first line, echo save the file. Now reload. Something went wrong. Put semicolon at the end. Save the file. Now reload. See, we got the output in 2 lines. Suppose if you stop this Apache web server, let us stop. We'll see what will happen. See, we are unable to connect. So if you want to run any PHP code, Apache server must be up and running. So click on start, then reload. So in this video we have seen how to install and configure XAMPP 8.2.12 on Parrot Sec OS 6 version. For more XAMPP or Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.